Hi friends, this is a 360 rotatable sports armband, and you can see it here that in time like 3 is a breathable. It's have a 360-degree turning, and you can just put it on your armband so that while running you can still have your mobile on the side. So this come in a nice packing as well, and then you can see it here that it have a small installation of the instruction guide, how we can use this thing. So it's pretty straightforward. Let's open this. So this is the armband. Like you can see that this you can just open it from here, and you can see like the stitching and the quality. It's very nice quality and the good stitching. That is a strong one, and you can see you can actually feel the quality from this. Like this is a stretchable band, and once you open this from this side, like it's a good velcro, and this have like 2 positions that you can put. So I'm just putting on this one, so this will go here and then across your arm, and then you will just lock it here. So I'm not showing like the end, but the armband itself, it's good and comfortable, no irritation, and you can feel it here that this is the main the gob, and you can actually turn it 360 degree. So I'm just trying to twist it and show it to you. The 2 rubber corner here is to hold the mobile in this, and you see like it will not go like this way, but it will go on the top side, but then you can turn it towards the 360 from the portrait to the landscape mode. So I'm trying to show you the quality, like even if I'm trying to twist it and then it's not going anywhere. And then to just fit in the mobile, the 2 rubber corners, like the mobile will fit easily in these holes. And the good thing I feel is that even if it fills in these 2 holes, all the charging ports, speaker and everything is not all covered, it's all open. So see it here, like it's all open, like the charging and the speakers, and for the headphone that you can easily access it. And then you can just turn your set, it can turn to anywhere, like from the different things. And yeah, so now this I'm trying to show you is that this also have like a key holder thing, like you can put your keys in here, and the other thing is for the headphone. So the headphone wire can go through this, you can fit it here, and then you can through the velcro you can put it, and it's a good design, and then it's very convenient and very good. So overall my impression is good for this one. Hold mobile well, good quality, hold the headphones and stuff in place, nice design and strong.